This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. Let's face it, there's an environmental consequence to just about everything we do, including air travel. A new website called shameplane.com brings, you guessed it, a sense of guilt to anyone who's wondered if flying the friendly skies also destroys Mother Earth. The site takes departure and arrival airport codes and calculates how much of the polar caps will be depleted by the carbon dioxide emitted by your big old jet airliner. For instance, an LA to Frankfurt flight is estimated to kill 10.8 square meters of Arctic ice. Yay! But it's not all guilt and shame. While the site is a serious Debbie Downer, it also has a feature where clicking options like Go Vegetarian or Recycle ever so slightly offsets your air travel. Hooray! What is forward collision detection? Well, first it's important to know that your car is now a giant sensor. Well, more like a collection of sensors, and cameras, and radar systems, and possibly LiDAR too. All of those sensors work together to keep you from cracking up your precious metal. Forward collision systems scan the road ahead of you. If the system detects an object in your path, it will alert you, the driver. If you ignore those alerts, many systems will take the next step, which is to apply the brakes. Just how the detection works varies by automaker, but all of them are scanning the road ahead. Many of these systems can tell the difference between vehicles, cyclists, pedestrians, and even wayward animals eager to become roadkill. Squirrels, I swear. When the cameras and sensors work together with your brakes and warning tones, the likelihood of a collision drops dramatically. Obviously, you still need to keep your eyes on the road, but it's nice to know that your car is also keeping its eyes on the road. The Indonesian capital of Jakarta has really bad, like super awful, crushing, in fact, traffic. Some say it's the most car and bike clogged city in the world. No joke. In an attempt to scrape themselves off the bottom of the list, Jakarta's government is attempting a novel approach to ease congestion, expanding their network of sidewalks. You'll want to hear their reasoning because, believe it or not, it's actually sorta sensible. You see, the problem with Jakarta's vehicular logjam is that Jakartans, that's a word, right? Sure, are statistically much likelier to hop onto a motorbike or car than hoof it to their destinations. By stretching sidewalks to be wider, the government is hoping to alleviate the roads and get people on their feet, which, let's face it, is also healthier for them and better for the environment. Will bigger sidewalks instantly solve the traffic woes of this city of 10 million? Probably not, but it sounds like a pretty good start to me. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. Scabba-da-bop-bop-bop. Who invites me places? Everything good? Where has she gone? You okay, Josh? Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to Ride.Tech for stories, reviews, and more news.